Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Seiko Moonphase Triple Calendar watch. As you can see, this particular model has two watch crowns. As you can see, one on the right and one on the left. This can be used in order to adjust this subdial that runs up to 24 hours. You can use this in order to calibrate it and to use it as a 24-hour display, so military time, or to have a second time in case you travel a lot and you want to have a GMT function. Also, here we have a button that actually adjusts the moon phase here at 12 o'clock. Now, in order to set the time and date, we are going to use the crown on the right. So we have basically three positions. The 0 position is with the crown pushed all the way, where you can rotate it and nothing is going to happen. Then we are going to pull it to the first position, so where you have only one click. This is where you can actually adjust the date. In one direction you will be able to set the day of the month, and in the other direction you will be able to set the day of the week. Now if I pull the crown all the way, so to the second position, here is where I can actually set the time. So when we want to set the time and date, we first want to set the date, and we are going to set the date one day prior to the actual date that we want to set. So one day prior to our end goal. So let's say that I want to make it the 31st and I want to have Monday. I'm going to make it the 30th and Sunday, and then I'm going to go and set the time, go with the watch hands manually past 12 o'clock until the date changes to my desired date, so 31st and Monday, and I will be able to set AM or PM. Now let's do that. So I'm going to pull the crown to the first position, and then I'm going to rotate and first set the day of the month. Once again, I'm going to leave it at the 30th because my end goal is to make it the 31st. Now I'm going to rotate the watch crown in the opposite direction, as you can see, Saturday, and then I'm going to make it Sunday. Now I'm going to pull the crown to the last position where I can actually set the time. Now I'm going to rotate the watch hands in a clockwise direction until the date changes. As you can see, I went past 12 o'clock and the date is still the same. Now I'm going to go with the watch hands once again past 12 o'clock, and here we are going to see that the date is going to change. So you can see that the first thing that changed is the day of the week and then the day of the month. So after you pass 3 o'clock, the date is going to be fully changed. And now let's say I want to make it 5 a.m. So 5 in the morning. Now I know that I am on the 31st, it is Monday, and it is 5 a.m. so 5 in the morning. If I want to make it PM, I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again. As you can see, this time nothing changed, and now I can make it 5 p.m. so 5 in the afternoon. And you can see that we are still on Monday the 31st and it is 5 p.m. That is why you want to first set the date, so the day of the week and the day of the month, both of them need to be one day prior to my end goal, and then we are going to set the time after we have set the date, and we are going to arrive on my desired date, and I'm going to be able to select between AM and PM. After you are done, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and that is all. That is how you set the time and date on your Seiko Triple Calendar with the Moonphase complication. Now I'm going to have a full tutorial on all the functions and features of this particular model, also how to replace the watch battery, so make sure to check them out if you are interested. Link in the description box below, guys. If you found value from this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed and you found it useful. You can apply this tutorial to other models as well that only have the date complication and setting the time. So this is going to be very useful for a lot of watch brands out there. In case you want to watch even more videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, Make sure to subscribe, it really helps the channel grow. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. All the best.